Hey YouTube, it's Aaryn and I am the Handbag Housewife and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. Yay! So I've told you I had this on the way. These are some earrings that I got from Morgan Jonathan, a jeweler that I have ordered from a few times and absolutely love the products that he has, as well as the quality of the diamonds and his price points. So he has agreed to work with me and I purchased these, but he's also going to send me some items that I'll show in an upcoming video that might be good ideas for Valentine's Day at friendly price points. And so today he went ahead and rushed this because I purchased this item so that I could unbox it, show you what I got. And as you can see, I'm not wearing earrings, so I hope to put these right on my head. I have misplaced my ceramic knife, so I am using scissors, which I don't particularly love. This does have a pull tab, so let's see if it works. Doesn't work so well. Oh man, I hate it when this happens. This is why I went ahead and cut into my Louis Vuitton box, because sometimes getting into these things is just a booger, you know? So inside of the UPS box, I have a UPS Express package. You can see there, he has his emblem embossed in wax. M&J, Morgan Jonathan, Malibu. These are the names of his children. He's named his business after his children. I actually got a chance to meet Peter, that's his name, in person because his mother used to live in the area that I'm in, and he hand delivered some earrings. And let me just pop a picture of those in here from his website. Called the Aaryn earrings. So those earrings he actually worked with me and custom made and then named after me. How cool is that? So he hand delivered those earrings to me. We met at Sam's Club, sat down at a table in Sam's Club and chatted, and so I got to meet him and his wife in person, and it was really cool. So let's go ahead and open this up. Since then, I have bought an additional pair of earrings in rose gold that I've showed you. All of them, both pairs are diamond earrings. And then this will be my third pair of earrings from him. I'm just telling you, the quality is incredible. I also really like his stacking rings. I'll pop a picture of those in here. I don't personally stack my jewelry like that, but I love, love, love the look of it. He's also gotten into doing some of the paperclip bracelets and necklaces and has ones with little charms for the necklaces. I'll pop a picture of that in here. And I'm telling you, with regards to the weight of the gold, the quality of the clasps, you're getting so much more for your money than you do from many of the Etsy sellers and other jewelers out there. So look at this gorgeous packaging. Is that not beautiful? I love it. Oh my gosh, this diamond that's printed on there actually looks like a real diamond, the way that the graphics are. So let's go ahead and open the box. This is so cool. So Peter with Morgan Jonathan, he also does custom earrings and custom anything. And I made that Aaryn earrings with him custom. And look, this is like I think it's leather pull tie here. I just love this detail. Can you imagine getting something like this from him for Valentine's Day? It would be so, so nice. So let's go ahead and pull out the earrings. Oh my goodness, guys, these are really cute. So this is exactly what I was looking for. It is an inside out hoop, which means the diamonds you can see are along the back side and then also on the front. I have some bigger diamond hoop earrings in yellow gold. I wanted something a little bit daintier, but more substantial than the sleeper diamond earrings that I got a long time ago from Ancestron. I haven't showed you those. They're really, really tiny. But for me, I have to do a clasp like this where there's nothing on the front or the back of my ear touching, because I have super, super sensitive ears. and I have to do 14 or 18 karat. I just heard the click. That's what you want to hear. You always want to make sure you hear the click. And I'm just testing them to make sure they're clicking good. So as you all know, I recently got this diamond pendant. It's an Effie pendant. And so I think that these earrings look really good because they're kind of a little daintier than some of my other pairs. And I am super pumped about this new set that I can wear together, along with my Effie ring that matches in terms of the baguettes and the round diamonds. So what a fun set. I recommend highly Morgan Jonathan Jewelry. You should get online, check them out. I'm going to put a discount code down in my description box, and look out for some upcoming videos. I can't wait to show you what else he has in store that you could purchase for Valentine's Day. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the handbag housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.